In our modern society, we all know that climate change is a huge issue that needs to be solved as soon as possible. Yet, our common perception tends to confine the implications of climate change solely to environmental degradation. However, have you ever stopped to think about how this issue is also related to our health? Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Andi Fitria Idham, and I'm proudly honored to stand before you today as the most outstanding student from Hasanuddin University. And today, I would like to deliver my informative speech related to Sustainable Development Goal number 13, Climate Action. Being a health student who is also active as a volunteer in an environmental-based community named Sobat Bumi Indonesia has made me realize how complex the impacts of climate change are, especially on individual health aspects. The State of the Global Climate 2023 report illustrates that the year 2023 emerged as the warmest year on record, with an average near surface temperature 1.45 degrees Celsius above the pre-industrial baseline. Furthermore, the report highlights unprecedented records in ocean heat content, sea level rise, and glacier retreat. This achievement, which is nothing to be proud of, certainly affects not only the environment on a large scale, but also individuals, particularly on their health. The danger caused by climate change, such as severe weather, heat waves, rising sea levels, air pollution, and water scarcity are worsened by vulnerabilities linked to biological, socio-political, and socio-economic factors. These combined factors have led to a myriad of health issues, ranging from injuries and fatalities due to extreme weather events, heat-related illnesses, and respiratory problems, to non-communicable diseases and even mental health issues. The World Health Organization states that 37% of heat-related deaths are due to human-induced climate change. Furthermore, deaths due to heat among the elderly have increased by 70% over the last 2 decades. The Ministry of Health of the Republic of Indonesia also revealed a similar condition, that in Indonesia, cases of TB, diarrhea, malaria, dengue, and even pneumonia are greatly influenced by climate change. Especially knowing that Indonesia located in the tropics and being the largest archipelago in the world that make it highly vulnerable to negative effects of climate change. Moreover, climate change has also affected food availability, quality, and diversity, leading to a food and nutrition crisis. In fact, statistics indicate that 783 million people, or 1 in 10 people, suffer from chronic hunger. After hearing about this various impact, you might wonder, what can we do to prevent these health problems? Recognizing these issues, I would like to propose the 3 A's, which is an acronym for: First A, always be prepared for extreme weather events. You can do this by always keeping an eye on weather forecast and preparing the necessary equipment, such as umbrellas, jackets, and even sunscreen. This method can at least help us not to be too surprised by weather changes. Second A, always eat healthy and nutritious food. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, or CDC, reveals that proper nutrition intake can boost our body's immune function, and of course, can prevent various diseases, including those caused by climate change. Third A, actively contribute to environment-based activities such as planting trees, conserving water, and recycling products. Even small action like using public transportation, always carrying a shopping bag, and avoiding littering can contribute to these efforts. Ladies and gentlemen, I realize that addressing health problems caused by climate change is indeed difficult and takes a lot of time. However, I believe that with awareness and active contributions from everyone, it is not impossible to achieve. To conclude this speech, let me share a quote for someone saying, "There is no planet B, so all we have to do is wake up and change." Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.